Do your roommates like pranks? Keep calm. A therapist and a stress reliever will take care of everything. Find out how to make giant and miniature stress relievers to suit all tastes in our new video. This situation could happen to any girl. You come up to a mirror and notice that your t-shirt makes you look fat. Even the sweater makes you look chubby. Or maybe it's not because of the clothes. I'm fat! How could this happen to me? I need to eat my stress away. Oh no! My friend is stressed! Turn on friend support mode. Let's put the chocolate away and take a cute cactus instead. Cut a little cactus in a pot out of a piece of memory foam. Color the piece with rubber paint. Add spines with white paint. Glue on pink pom-poms. Make it look like cactus flowers. Look at this little cactus! Hey, it's not edible. It's soft and squishy. Try it out. It'll soothe your nerves. What a pointless thing! I need actual therapy! This is how I ended up on a therapist's couch. But that's not all yet, Doc. Oh, doctor, you can't even imagine what they did to an egg. I was just chilling on a couch, watching a horror movie. Ew! He's covered in slime. But my friends decided to pull a prank on me and swapped my popcorn for boiled eggs. And it was great! Until this thing appeared! Knead polymer clay into a thin layer. Wrap an empty quail eggshell into the clay. Make a zigzag cut using a modeling knife. Make a ball out of yellow polymer clay. And bake the clay following the package instructions. Take the egg out of the mold. Put in clear slime and the clay yolk. Cover it with the other half of the eggshell. Oh no! What is this? An alien egg? Ah! Girls! Now I understand where my popcorn went. My roommates are in a secret Skittles club. But they won't let me join. Hey, wait for me. I want to play too. Phew, I think we ditched her. Let's distract her with giant Skittles. Shape light clay into a giant Skittle. Coat the clay with nail polish before it hardens. Draw the iconic S on top. Make a big package out of foil cardboard. Trim the edges and attach a printed Skittles logo. Put in clay candy. Well, 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 what do we have here? Giant Skittles? Now that's a grand prize! Let's see. These candies are so huge! Hold on, they are not even candy. They are stress balls with a crunchy crust. Break a candy and find soft clay inside. What a nice surprise! Doctor, please tell me, how can I go on? I can't even eat quietly in this house. I love Pringles and don't want to share with anyone. But Christy knows my soft spot. So does Megan. That's why they made giant Pringles. And they are not sharing it with me on purpose. Mix 7 ounces of liquid soap with 7 ounces of slime glue. Add 3.5 ounces of hand lotion and yellow and brown coloring. Stir it well. Pour in 14 ounces of water and add in 28 ounces of cornstarch. Mix it to get an even consistency. Add borax and make giant slime. Put the slime into a suitable container. Attach a printed Pringles logo. My roommates can't wait to prank me. Here they are, my giant chips. What? Is that slime? Oh no, I'm stuck in my chips. Can you help me? Where are you going? Doctor, you can see that I'm surrounded by stress. I just can't live peacefully with my roommates. You obviously need a stress reliever. Here, take a pocket avocado. Shape memory foam into a mini avocado half. Glue a memory foam ball in the center. Make it look like a seed. Paint it to be the same color as an avocado. No, Doctor! It may seem weird, but this sneaky avocado has been stalking me all day long. In the morning in my bed, while I was doing my makeup, while I was having lunch. You were on a healthy diet. Here's your salad. With avocado. And of course, in the fridge. It's watching me. As you can see, I think I'm developing an allergy to avocados. My roommates know that I love Oreos and milk. Here, catch. Can you please be more careful? Sorry, here are your Oreos. Whoops! It looks like there will be an Oreo salad in this pack. You can pour it into your milk. Whoops! I'm so sorry. Here, I have a mini milk stress reliever. Take it. Mix a little liquid soap with clear glue, a few drops of white coloring, and some baking soda. Add contact lens solution and make slime. Print out a mini template of a milk carton. Cover both sides of it with clear tape and cut it out. Fold and assemble the carton. Put the slime inside. What is this tiny carton? No cookie could fit into it. And what's inside? It looks like this milk went sour a long time ago, Christy. Thanks for the support, as always. You see, Doctor? They are bullying me. Don't take it personally. It's just slime. And I have something brilliant for you. A squishy Oreo to get rid of anxiety. Trace a big round template on memory foam. Cut it out. Trim the edges with scissors. Color it with dark rubber paint. Cut parts of the Oreo pattern out of glittery foam paper. Attach the pattern to the foam pieces. Assemble a giant soft Oreo cookie. A giant soft Oreo cookie will help you out even in the most difficult situations. It'll definitely help you, and your life will be as calm as you want. Goodbye, another satisfied client. Who's next? Oh no! These are the very same Christy and Megan she was talking about! I need my own stress reliever right now! A mini iPhone on an iPhone! Cut a mini iPhone out of a makeup sponge. Color it silver. Add details with black paint, a camera, and a logo. Attach double-sided tape to the back. Cut it along the perimeter. Thank God, I always have my mini stress toy with me. I already know these two can stress anyone out. Did you like our stress relievers of different sizes? Then comment below about which one you like the most. A giant Oreo, a soft cactus, or a mini milk carton. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fun stress relievers from Troom.